Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about what is accounting, what are the need of accounting, its objectives, advantages, limitation, who are the users, and what is accountancy. So, let's get started. Accounting is a language of business. As we all use our language, our mother tongue, to communicate to others, which we want to communicate to other, they understand it by our language. Like this, accounting also is a language of business, which communicate to the users, investors, creditors, or researchers who are interested to know about your business. Then the proper definition of accounting is it is the art of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, and summarizing the business transaction which may occur day wise. Then it will be interpreted in the financial statement. After interpreting it in the financial statement, it have to communicate to the end users who are the shareholders. Now, the question is what is the need of accounting? The first one is provide valuable information for economic decision. How it provide economic decision? When we record properly the business transactions, we can measure that is it a profit making business or is it a loss making business or our business is at break even point. By this, we can measure the economic growth of the business. If is it a profit making business, then we can predetermine our cost today for making future benefit in tomorrow or in a long term period. Then the second one is evaluate business for future period. When you maintain proper record of transaction, then it will be help you for growing in the future period. Then maintain complete record means when you record the transaction in journal, then ledger. The main purpose of complete record means ascertain the gross profit, gross loss, net profit, net loss, and the balance sheet when you can measure the financial position of the business. Then it helps in calculation of tax. When you measure the net profit, then it can be easy to calculate the tax. Now comes to the objective. The first objective is keep systematic record. Keep systematic record of financial transactions which can helps in making trading profit and loss account, balance sheet to know the income statement and the position statement. Then second one is to protect and control business proprietors. How the amount of proprietors fund invested in the business by communicating all this. How much the business has to pay to others, how much the business has to recover from others, how much the business has in the form of fixed asset, current asset, cash in hand, cash in bank, stock of raw material, work in progress, finished goods. Then are certain operational profit or loss. From the profit and loss account, you can measure the net profit or net loss. Then are certain financial position of business. From the balance sheet, you can measure the financial position of business. Then are certain amount payable or receivable. Payable to the creditors, receivable by the buyer. Then watch movement of capital. Watch movement of capital means when a investor invest in your business, then it is his duty to know about his capital, which means by accounting or accounting statements, a user can watch movement of capital that prevent errors, theft, and fraud. You can check by the accounting, by the business transaction you are recorded, or buy the through the cash memo voucher and the physical stock. Then it helps in decision making. Obviously, when if it is a growing business, then investors are interested to invest in your business. It will be their decision making whether they have to invest in your business or not. Now the question is, what is the branches of accounting? There are so many branches of accounting. For example, financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, social responsibility accounting, government accounting, HR accounting, inflation accounting, etc. In financial accounting, we maintain the accounting or systematic record of finance, which leads to prepare final account used by owner, creditor, investors, employees, government, etc. It is basically for the financial decision, which may involve assets, liabilities, capital, then various accounts like this. Second one is cost accounting. Cost accounting basically uses the cost to find cost of goods and services by various accounting methods or the procedures. In cost accounting, we make our cost sheet. Then from this, we know the cost of production, what are the sales, what are the profit. Then the third one is management accounting. As the name suggests, management, it helps the management for policy formulation, making the plans for decision making. Then social responsibility accounting. If a company making products for its or its customer, then when it operates, it's the company's duty to know the environment who, in which the persons are involved. These are social responsibility accounting. Government accounting means when government prepare accounting for its uses, like for a economy boost, when a economy boost or not, is it a growing economy or not. Then hr accounting basically for the human resource. In human resource accounting, we know the value of human resource. For example, our labor, our employees, our employers. Then inflation accounting means when the prices are increases, at that time our BOP adjusted. This is called as inflation accounting. Then